Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights. In this video, we will be discussing about the syllabus of Databricks Data Engineer Associate profile in detail. We will break down each module asked in Data Engineer Associate exam and elaborate each topic in the module. This is in the continuation of Databricks certification playlist. In the previous video, I explained about the second and third module that comes in the exam, that is ETL with Spark SQL and Python, and also the incremental processing. If you have not watched that video, then you can watch that first. I have pinned it in the I button, and then come back to this video to get insights for the rest of the modules. So let's get started. So let's concentrate on the workflows. So in the workflows, you can set up some retry policy. Let's say the workflow fails, then you can do a retry policy for it to do an automation of it. And then you can also use the cluster pools, right? So that it doesn't go ahead and waste your time in actually triggering the cluster and spinning up the cluster. Then you have the task orchestration. You can have multiple tasks in a particular job and what is the benefit of the task orchestration, how exactly it's helpful. Then you can go ahead and configure the upstream and downstream tasks in the task orchestration itself. And in the UI itself, you can parameterize your notebooks in the jobs. You can also monitor the job failures using the UI. So you need to be aware of the complete workflow UI, starting with the automation, how to orchestrate your tasks, and exactly how to parameterize your notebook with the job failures. Then comes with the dashboard. In the dashboard, you need to know how to create your SQL endpoint for different use cases and how to go ahead and schedule your query based on scenarios and schedule your dashboard refreshes. So if some query changes, then how you can go ahead and schedule your dashboard. Then how you can go ahead and alert, configure the notification for different conditions, and how to configure and basically manage the alerts for the failures. You can go ahead and create an alert to alert it in your Slack or your Teams or any other email or something. The last point that we have is the data governance. In the data governance, you need to know about the Unity catalog. What is the benefit of the Unity catalog? Why exactly it was introduced? And what are the features of Unity catalog? Then, if you have a Unity catalog, then how you can go ahead and configure the access to production tables, because production tables should not be accessed by each and every individual. Only the ones who needs to have that permission, right? So how you can configure it and how you can grant different levels of permission to users in group. All the users in group doesn't need all levels of permission. For example, data analysts only need certain particular privileges like a select query. They don't need to go ahead and update a particular table, right? So they will just go ahead and give you a select permission by grant. If you have granted some permission to a particular person or some user or group, you can also revoke that particular permission using the revoke. So this data governance is a small part in the certification, which comprises only 4%, but it's a very important feature that Databricks has introduced using the shared capabilities, which actually helps in the governance of the data. I hope now you know what all topics basically to cover in order to qualify this exam. In the next coming video, I will go ahead and share some more questions so that you can prepare yourself what type of questions are exactly asked in this particular exam. If you like this video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.